Number 4 Tango Alpha, turn left taxi. Would you like to exit hotel?
I'm going to exit that hotel, 4 Tango Alpha.
Number 4 Tango Alpha, I'm sorry about that. Where are you going?
We're going to South Bay Aviation.
Number 4 Tango Alpha, Roger, you can stay with me. South Bay, taxi via Hotel Alpha and Charlie.
Hotel Alpha Charlie to South Bay, Cessna 4 Tango Alpha.
And number 4 Tango Alpha, the swing on taxiway Alpha, head into your right. It's going to be passing on Hotel, going to runway 10 right, so you can just pass behind them.
Roger that, 4 Tango Alpha. After landing, flaps up. Carpet off. Landing lights off. That's as required. UE off. As required. Beam set to take off. Alright.
Number 4 Tango Alpha, keep taxiing please on taxiway Hotel.
Roger, I'm taxiing at Hotel now, 4 Tango Alpha. So you want me to make a right on Alpha or go straight to the ramp?
Taxiway Alpha and exit at Charlie.
Okay. Hotel Alpha Charlie, South Bay, Cessna 4 Tango Alpha.
Torrance Tower, flying 865 Sierra Lima, is holding short of 29 right at Juliet, requesting right close traffic.
Did you say right close traffic?
Affirmative, right close traffic, 865 Sierra Lima.
Number 865 Sierra Lima, Torrance Tower. Roger, fly straight out for now. I'll call your right turn. Right close traffic is approved. Runway 29 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 29 right, clear for takeoff. We will fly straight out, 5 Sierra Lima.
Citation 28 Delta Mike on a 7-mile final for the right.
Number 28 Delta Mike, Torrance Tower. Looks like you're just slightly south of course there. Runway 29 right, clear to land. You're number 1.
Clear to land, 8 Delta Mike.
Torrance Tower, flying 516 November Golf, holding short 29 right. Request straight out departure, and then right close traffic.
Number 516 November Golf, Torrance Tower. I'm confused. You want a straight out departure or you want right close traffic?
Sorry, right close traffic.
Number 6 November Golf, Roger. Hold short, runway 29 right.
Holding short 29 right.
Number 6 November Golf. Okay, traffic is a citation, 3-mile final, no delay, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
No delay, 29 right, 6 November Golf, latch.
And number 6 November Golf, follow company traffic in the upwind, and I will call their turn and your turn.
Following swing in the upwind, you'll call my turn, 6 November.
Swing 6 November Golf, no delay, citation is now a mile final.
On the go, 6 November Golf.
Torrance Tower, swing 169 Tango Whiskey, holding short at 29 right in Juliet for right close traffic.
Number 5 Sierra Lima, right crosswind turn is approved for right close traffic.
Right crosswind approved, right close traffic, 5 Sierra Lima.
And swing 6 November Golf, company traffic is turning crosswind now, follow them in the crosswind turn.
Following company crosswind turn, 6 November Golf.
Wind 28011 and traffic holding short runway turn right, go ahead.
Sorry, can you please repeat that?
Yeah, the traffic holding short runway turn right, go ahead.
holding short at 29 right. 9 Tango Whiskey.
Okay, what's your request?
Holding short at 29 right and Juliet for right close traffic, swing 9 Tango Whiskey.
Number 8 Delta Mike, contact ground.
Going to ground, 8 Delta Mike.
Number 9 Tango Whiskey, runway 29 right, clear for takeoff, right close traffic approved.
Clear for takeoff, right close traffic approved, 9 Tango Whiskey.
Swing 5 Tango Whiskey, company traffic is rolling now. Your number 1, runway 29 right, clear touch and go. Swing 6 November Golf, your number 2, following company ahead, runway 29 right, clear touch and go.